Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both files. Open the Excel workbook and highlight the exact range you want linked. This ensures you control the structure and formulas that will carry over. Next, open the Word document and click to set the insertion point where the link table will go. Save both files to disk so links reference a stable path. Once done, you're ready to copy with the proper link options. This prevents broken connections later. You now create the actual link. With the Excel range copied, press Ctrl+C, switch to Word and open Home, Paste Special. Choose Paste Link, then select Microsoft Excel Worksheet Object. This embeds a live link that preserves formulas and formatting. Make sure to pick the correct link type because it determines whether Word shows a static picture versus a live object. Once linked, Word displays the data and updates when the Excel source changes. Finish by saving both documents and testing the connection. Change a cell in Excel, then in Word go to File or Edit Links and Update. This validates the live link and shows why you chose the worksheet object. If you ever need to change the source, use Edit Links to relink or break the connection. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates fail, check that both files are saved on accessible paths and not opened read-only by another user. Path mismatches are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.